Day 16, Italian cuisine breakfast frittata. Ingredients, 6 large eggs, half cup milk, half cup grated, Parmesan cheese, half cup diced tomatoes, 1/4 cup chopped fresh basil, 1/4 cup chopped onions, 1/4 cup chopped bell peppers, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste instructions. Preheat your gas griddle to medium heat. Heat the olive oil on the griddle. Add the chopped onions and bell peppers and cook until softened. In a bowl, whisk the eggs, milk, Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper. Pour the egg mixture over the vegetables on the griddle. Sprinkle the diced tomatoes and chopped basil on top. Cook until the eggs are set, about 5 to 7 minutes. Serve hot. Italian breakfast sandwich. Ingredients, 4 ciabatta rolls, split 4 slices, prosciutto, 4 slices, mozzarella cheese, 4 large eggs, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste fresh basil leaves. For garnish instructions. Preheat your gas griddle to medium heat. Drizzle the olive oil on the griddle. Crack the eggs onto the griddle and cook to your desired doneness. Season with salt and pepper. Toast the ciabatta rolls on the griddle until golden brown. Assemble the sandwiches by placing a slice of prosciutto, a slice of mozzarella cheese, and a cooked egg on each roll. Top with fresh basil leaves. Serve hot. Lunch Caprese Salad. Ingredients, 4 large tomatoes, sliced 1 pound fresh mozzarella, sliced 1/4 cup fresh basil leaves, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste instructions. Arrange the tomato slices and mozzarella slices on a serving platter, alternating them. Tuck the fresh basil leaves between the tomato and mozzarella slices. Drizzle with balsamic vinegar and olive oil. Season with salt and pepper. Serve immediately. Minestrone Soup. Ingredients, 1 large onion, chopped 2 cloves garlic, minced 2 large carrots, chopped 2 celery stalks, chopped 1 zucchini, chopped 1 cup green beans, chopped 1 can 15 ounces diced tomatoes, 1 can 15 ounces cannellini beans, drained and rinsed 6 cups vegetable broth, 1 cup small pasta like ditalini, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Freshly grated Parmesan cheese for serving instructions. Preheat your gas griddle to medium heat. In a large pot, heat the olive oil. Add the chopped onion, garlic, carrots, and celery. Cook until the vegetables are softened. Add the chopped zucchini and green beans. Cook for another 5 minutes. Stir in the diced tomatoes, cannellini beans, vegetable broth, dried oregano, and dried basil. Bring to a boil. Add the pasta and cook until tender, about 10 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Serve hot, topped with freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Dinner spaghetti carbonara. Ingredients, 1 pound spaghetti, 4 large eggs, 1 cup grated, Parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup grated, Pecorino Romano cheese, 8 ounces pancetta, diced 2 cloves garlic, minced salt and pepper to taste fresh parsley, chopped for garnish. Instructions. Cook the spaghetti according to package instructions. Reserve 1 cup of pasta water and drain the rest. In a bowl, whisk the eggs, grated Parmesan, and grated Pecorino Romano. Preheat your gas griddle to medium heat. Cook the diced pancetta until crispy. Add the minced garlic and cook for another minute. Toss the cooked spaghetti with the pancetta and garlic. Remove from heat and quickly stir in the egg and cheese mixture. Adding pasta water is needed to create a creamy sauce. Season with salt and pepper. Serve hot, garnished with chopped fresh parsley. Chicken Parmesan ingredients. 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs beaten, 1 cup breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 cup marinara sauce, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup olive oil, salt and pepper. To taste fresh basil leaves for garnish instructions. Preheat your gas griddle to medium-high heat. Season the chicken breast with salt and pepper. Dredge in flour, dip in beaten eggs, and coat with breadcrumbs mixed with grated Parmesan. Heat the olive oil on the griddle. Cook the breaded chicken breasts until golden brown and cook through about 5 to 7 minutes per side. Spoon marinara sauce over each chicken breast and sprinkle with shredded mozzarella. Cook until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Serve hot, garnished with fresh basil leaves. Dessert tiramisu. Ingredients: 1 cup strong brewed coffee, cooled 1/4 cup coffee liqueur, optional, 3 large eggs, separated 1/2 cup sugar, 1 cup mascarpone cheese, 1 cup heavy cream, 1 package ladyfingers, unsweetened cocoa powder for dusting. Instructions: in a shallow dish, combine the cooled coffee and coffee liqueur. In a bowl, beat the egg yolks and sugar until pale and thick. Add the mascarpone cheese and beat until smooth. In another bowl, whip the heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Fold the whipped cream into the mascarpone mixture. In a separate bowl, beat the egg whites until stiff peaks form. Gently fold into the mascarpone mixture. Dip the ladyfingers into the coffee mixture and arrange in a single layer in a serving dish. Spread half of the mascarpone mixture over the ladyfingers. Repeat with another layer of dipped ladyfingers and the remaining mascarpone mixture. Cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. Dust with unsweetened cocoa powder before serving. Cannoli ingredients: 1 cup ricotta cheese, 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 1/2 teaspoon, vanilla extract, 1/2 cup mini chocolate chips, 12 cannoli shells, powdered sugar for dusting. Instructions: in a bowl, mix the ricotta cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract until smooth. Fold in the mini chocolate chips. Fill a piping bag with the ricotta mixture and pipe into the cannoli shells. Dust with powdered sugar before serving. Conclusion of Day 16. Today we delighted in the rich and comforting flavors of Italian cuisine with delicious recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. From the classic spaghetti carbonara to the sweet cannoli, each dish brings the taste of Italy to your table. Italians are not only good fashion designers and perfumers, but true connoisseurs of cuisine. Are there any real stylish Italians among my readers? Subscribe to our channel, give a like if you enjoyed the recipes, and don't forget to check the description to get the book on Amazon. In our book, The Complete Outdoor Gas Griddle Cookbook for Beginners, you'll find even more unique recipes, tips, and tricks to master your grilling skills. Sign up on our website and be the first to receive recipe previews for our next book. Let us know in the comments which world cuisines you'd like to see featured in upcoming videos and in our future print and ebooks. Wishing you tasty and unforgettable moments in the kitchen.